Hello everybody, welcome back to Rage's Modeling Bench. It's been a busy couple of weeks with the winter storms and all that coming through, but we did manage to get some of the superstructure done and start doing some of the priming, as well as getting started on the main assembly. Doing a little bit of jumping around as we go, just to keep it fun and fresh. You get a little tired playing with some of the smaller pieces, so it's nice to get some paint on it. So what's the good and the bad and the ugly? Well, the good, I do like the detail on these. The rivets and stuff like that are great. But you'll notice there's no blast bags. Now, the front of the box says there's blast bags. It's got pictures of it. Online, there seems to be one person doing videos. I think they're associated with Dali and they've got blast bags on. But you know what? Lo and behold, they're not part of the kit. Over $300 worth of kit, and there's no blast bags. But the same company, they do make a blast bag kit. So we've ordered that up just to have it complete because I just don't think it's right to go without. But I'm a little upset that it's not part of the kit. It's a multimedia kit, and they leave the blast bags out as something you have to buy separately. Another thing that's kind of got me is this little piece here, PEL3, going onto the funnel. You can see it's got all the markings for the underneath structural supports, but yet nowhere in the instructions does it call out any structural supports. Now, there's no way to get in touch with anybody or ask the question to somebody, is it designed to have those supports? Are they there? So unless you're going to go through like I will and count every single piece and account for it in the instructions going forward to know if you have anything left, well, that's a real pain in the backside to me, and I'm not too happy with that. Not for the kind of money that was spent on this kit. The USS Massachusetts I'll be doing later. I'll be getting a Pontos upgrade kit, and that has everything in the world. Probably come in around the same price, but with some better detail. As far as detail goes, it doesn't look too bad. The 5-inch guns opened up. I may order up one set of offline resin. I think they're going to look a little better perhaps. Same thing with the catapults in the back. I mean, they're decent, but I want to see what the other ones will look like too when they come in. I'm liking the funnel, the details, the decks, good thick PE there. The resin is junk. I'm really not enjoying the resin. It is such a pain to snap and put apart. And I just noticed I'd lost another piece here that snapped off just now, falling down, which I'm going to have to go and find, which really sucks. Both of them are snapped off. So I'm not happy with that. Been handling it fairly carefully, but it's gone. All in all, we'll get there, but not super happy with the resin. We'll see what happens. Keep your eyes out. We'll be getting some more paint on here, finding the pieces that have broke off and putting them back on. Some of them don't have spares, little tiny pieces with nothing extra. What are you going to do? Stay tuned. We'll be back. We'll keep plugging away.